Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Aguilar, and today we're going to continue with a series of videos about the FORZA Play software. Today, we'll be looking at the basic functions of the software. Among the basic functions that the software allows us to perform, there's, of course, the obvious one, operating the laser equipment. It enables us to create basic designs, import and export files, and manage layers for configuring different materials. Next, let's dive into which file types are truly compatible with our software. The software, as you'll find, robustly supports several different file formats. You can easily view this complete list by simply pressing Ctrl+I on your keyboard. We can see files like .g, .nc, .dxf, .dwg, .plt, among others. The universal file used for CNC cutting machines is the .dxf file. It's a stable file that hasn't given us any errors so far. Within the software interface, you'll find a clear menu bar at the top. Below that, we also have a dedicated toolbar specifically for the machine's operations, alongside another convenient toolbar for all your design needs. You'll notice a distinct section for layers, crucial for configuring settings based on the particular material you're working with. There's also a precise section for controlling the laser equipment itself. And right next to it, a helpful section to quickly check if the equipment is precisely at its 0 point. Importantly, we've included a comprehensive alarm section, which will immediately display all alarms related to the equipment and provide their possible solutions. All of this comes together within the main work screen, where you can seamlessly perform various activities, including designing, cutting, and engraving, among others. Let's take a closer look at the software interface. You'll notice we have a menu bar at the top, a comprehensive toolbar, and a dedicated drawing bar. There's also a crucial alarm section and a practical job tracking section for direct control. We've included an equipment control area where you'll find all the necessary tools to manage your machinery directly from the software. Finally, there's a versatile layers section. These represent the main parts within FORZA Play. Let's see how to import a file. We go to File, then Import File, or simply press Ctrl+I. We also have the Export File section. The file it will export will be in .dxf format. We give it a name. Select where we want to save it. Simply click Save, and the file will be successfully saved as a .dxf. Additionally, we also provide a convenient section to save the entire file, which will store it with all the current configurations and settings of FORZA Play at that specific moment. For instance, if you are actively cutting a 1mm material and then proceed to click Save, the file will be saved with all the precise configurations necessary for cutting 1mm. Let's dive into the operation buttons available in the software. For example, we have the first button, which serves to effortlessly create a brand new file for your projects following that. The second button provides the functionality to import an existing file, specifically those in the widely used .dxf format. Then there's the Open button, designed to seamlessly open files that are native to the FORZA Play software extension, such as .c or .next files. Conveniently, it also allows you to save your work in that same extension. You'll also find a button that lets you undo an operation, effectively taking a step back in your work. Conversely, there's another button that enables you to redo an operation, allowing you to step forward again. What do I mean by that? For instance, if you've drawn a square and then decide to delete it, you can easily undo that deletion using this option. And just as simply, you can redo it if you change your mind. It's truly a straightforward way to navigate your design process, moving one step backward or one step forward as needed, moving on to the next option. This feature will visually indicate the process number that the machine will meticulously follow. For cutting, for example, if we toggle this off, the numbers that show the cutting order will disappear. If we turn it back on, you'll see numbers like 2 and 3 appear. There should be another operation with number 1 somewhere nearby. Let's say we delete this current operation. Then we'll be left with just numbers 1 and 2 following that. We have the option that clearly indicates the direction in which the machine will operate. In this specific case, the machine will initiate its path from a particular point. This small white dot you see is precisely the starting point for the equipment's work. It will begin its task right here and then proceed to follow this indicated direction. The same principle applies here. It will continue along this specific path. And finally, we have a crucial button that highlights which of your design objects are currently open. For example, if I draw an object that hasn't had all its sides properly closed, let's place it right here. The software will immediately indicate that this specific object is not closed, helping you identify potential issues before cutting.